just when you thought you were about to give up. A new hope brings forth dreams you once believed impossible.
Hindi po ako magaling, pero pag yung puso yung umiral, naniniwala po tayo lahat posible. Yung bahay ko, kotse ko, yung condo unit ko, yung bahay namin, yung kinikita ko linggo-linggo.
Moving from quietude to significance.
It's more on lasting relationship compared to material things na maglalast.
Success anchored in the right set of core values.
Kailangan pala talagang mahirapan ka. Kailangan pala talaga ng pain. Kailangan ng sacrifice. Kailangan ng struggles. Para pag umakyat ka sa taas, dumating ka sa taas, solid po yung foundation mo.
And will stop at nothing to change more lives, affect more people, touch more hearts.
Sabi ko nga sa anak ko, hindi man niya naiintindihan. Yung lahat ng hirap na naranasan namin, hindi na mo naranasan. Bakit? Kasi ang Royal, mawala man kami, nandyan pa para sa iyo.
Hindi po masamang managinip.
It all began in 2006.
Pag royal ka, payaman ka.
Nagkakaisang pangarap, nagkakaisang layunin, nagkakaisang damdamin. The chairman and the president. The industry's perfect combination.
Mula ng aking pagkabata, ang aking panaginip was to provide the average Pinoy with a decent source of livelihood.
I have a dream to help people improve their lives. Dreamt of a Filipino company that will be the benchmark of this industry and will set standards for others to follow.
I believe in the spirit of helping our co-Filipinos.
I dreamt of a Filipino company that is at par, if not better, with multinational corporations.
Royal Business Club. Binuo mula sa marugdog na pagnanasa upang makatulong sa kapwa. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ang mga naniwala, nagtiwala, sumunod sa sistema at ginawa ang negosyo ng tama. Sila ang patuloy na umaani ng tagumpay para sa kanila at sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay.
Yung mother-in-law ko, yung father-in-law ko, yung mother ko, yung mga pinsan ko, at yung buong kapatid ko. Na dito sa negosyo na ito, nakakatuwa na lahat kami, we're doing Royal Business Club. At ang maganda dito, natutulungan namin ng bawat isa makamit yung mga pangarap nila.
Katulad ko na OFW, dito po ako nagkaroon ng sasakyan, bahay, at mga lupa dahil sa negosyo ng Royal Business Club International, official micro-franchise provider.
On its second year, Royal Business Club signed a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Labor and Employment, making Royal Business Club as the official micro-franchise service provider of the National Reintegration Center for OFWs. A solid indicator of what the company produced over a span of 1 year.
After 2 years na magtrabaho ako ron, umuwi ako, nakita ko yung potential na sinasabi ni Kuya Ariel tungkol sa Royal Business Club. Tapos nung nakita ko yung negosyo na malaki ang kikitain ko, so I decided na huwag nang bumalik. So kahit may ticket ako pabalik, kahit nasabihin pa nating meron akong trabaho maganda ron, I decided na gawin na lang ang Royal Business Club. Kung ginawa kong Royal after 1 year, ayun, nagkaroon na ako ng sasakyan. Ngayon, dinadrive ko yung bago kong Innova G. Nagsisimula na rin ako magbayad dun sa aking hinulugang lote.
Thus, Royal Business Club's 2008's battle cry, proud to be Royal.
Let us all be proud to be Royal.
Proud to be Royal!
Royal carries a wide array of world-class quality products.
Last year,
ganito ang itsura ko. Sobra yung pimples ko, hindi talaga siya nawawala, lalo na yung sa noo. Because of Royal, grapeseed, gluta, at saka kojic soap, lalo na yung kojic soap. Before talaga gumagastos ako, 50,000, para lang sa balat, syempre, di ba? Yan ang lagi nakaharap sa tao eh. So, ngayon, di ba, magkano lang? Kung saang derma na ako nagpunta, eto, product lang talaga ng Royal.
In June 2009, Royal was given special recognition by FINAT Europe in the category of C2 cartons for its first-rate packaging and top-notch product presentation for Kojic Papaya. Topping this is another award for world-class excellence attained in technical achievement. L-Gluta-Power with Vitamin E Glutathione Package Soap. This was awarded in the 32nd Annual Tag and Label Manufacturers Institute in Scottsdale, Arizona in the USA in October 2009.
The product itself, nakita ko na pang-international, hindi lang sa local. Even though tayo po ay isang 100% Filipino-owned company, pero we are proud because yung product po natin ay kayang makipagkompetensya sa global market.
In 2009, Royal Business Club showed everyone how success and recognition is spelled in this company. Driving and riding dream cars. All expense paid getaways. Summer team building sports fest. And the Fire Factor Ultimate Europe Getaway. No other micro-business provider in the Philippines has ever reached this achievement, sending off 32 most deserving pasyalistang royalista to an all-expense-paid tour to Europe.
Kahapon, nasa Italy tayo. Nag-breakfast kami sa Padova, nag-lunch kami sa Milan, at nag-dinner kami sa Switzerland.
Another feat Royal stands proud to have carried out. Absolute proof that Royal Business Club is, in every way, built to last.
Royal Business Club, big to last!
The evolution of Royal Business Club. From 15 staff members in 2006, it has dramatically grown to 115 in 2010. And the expansion of Royal Business Club's company-owned branches in Davao City, Cebu City, Dagupan City, Baguio City, and Santiago City. And these growth only generated better people with better lives, building a better future in Royal.
On my first year po, I only earned 10,000 pesos the whole year. On my second year, dun po ako nakabuelo, dun po ako nakabili ng kotse. On my third year, ito na po yung resulta nung Royal. Nagkaroon na rin po ako ng bahay.
Nag-attend akong presentation, pag-uwi ko, kinompute ko. Tapos nakita ko yung sistema, napakaganda ng sistema ng Royal. After encoding nung accounts, may checking ko na agad Thursday. Tapos nung kinompute ko, palaki ng palaki. Mga product kasi natin, puro wellness product. Nung nakita ko itong product na to, sabi ko napakadaling benta, lalo ng glutathione. Actually, hindi pa ako member, gumagamit na rin ako ng glutathione ko. Antioxidant ko kasi yan.
Recognizing the value of hard work and determination, driven by a customer-centric culture, empowered by the Royal Mania, Royal Business Club saw the birth of the Millionaire Circle, the first rung of the ultimate success ladder.
Kami mag-asawa, katulad ako, waiter lang ako dati, naging restaurant manager, pero ngayon, sa loob ng wala pang isang taon, naging successful kami sa company. Nasa 17,000 a month nung aking sweldo. Pero ngayon po dito sa Royal, kumikita na po kami ng mga 300,000 a month. Doon sa unang 8 buwan namin, nakabili po kami ng brand new Ford Escape.
Vital to its growth and continued clamor for development, the President's Circle has also been launched